What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to evaluate the limit using L'Hopital's rule. The first example is limit of x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x minus 3 when x is approaching 3. When you sub it there, it's going to be 9 minus 6 minus 3 over 3 minus 3. That's going to be 0 over 0. Which means that we need to use the L'Hopital's rule in order to find out the limit. It's going to be limit of derivative of the numerator is going to be 2x minus 2 and derivative of the denominator is going to be 1 when x is approaching 3. So it's going to be 2 times 3 minus 2. That's going to be 6 minus 2 equals to 4. That's the limit of this expression. Next example, it says limit of x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 when x is approaching negative 2. So again, when you sub it there, it's going to be negative 2 squared minus 3 times negative 2 minus 10 over negative 2 plus 2. That's going to be 4 plus 6 minus 10 over 0, which is going to be 0 over 0. So whenever you are dealing with 0 over 0, you need to use L'Hopital's rule, which means that derivative of numerator divided by derivative of denominator. So that's going to be 2x minus 3 over 1 when x is approaching negative 2. So that's going to be limit of 2x minus 3 when x is approaching negative 2. That's 2 times negative 2 minus 3, which will be negative 7. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.